Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix payment decline in Shopee. To fix a declined payment on Shopee, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you need is, first of all, to fix it so and there might be an issue with your card itself. So make sure that there is enough money in your account to cover the purchase as well. And likewise, the other thing you also want to make sure to consider is that your bank or card issuer might be blocking the transaction due to security policies or suspected misuse as well. So you could contact them directly, inquire about any restrictions on your account or card that might be able to fix. And if the issue still persists on, what you could also do is some overseas card or card for specific from a specific bank are not accepted on Shopee. So you have to confirm your card's compatibility as well. Now, likewise, what you need is here the other thing. You could also try changing the transactions or the card details. So all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the profile, and you could change your payment or maybe your card information as well, and that might be able to help. If the issue still persists on, you could also try updating the app by going to your respective app store. If not, you want to make sure to try using a different device, as sometimes the issue might be on a device itself. So that should be able to help. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.